Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting strategy to make a ton of money online doing very simple stuff. Okay, all you need to do is copy and paste some pictures and you can start making money out of those pictures, and this is going to be really interesting. Not all the affiliate gurus are gonna tell you about the strategies, and that's the reason why I'm making this video and teaching you this particular strategy, because this is 100% working strategy and you can make a ton of money doing this very simple work. Okay, so now let's get started into the video. Let's get started with the content. So the first thing is that you just need to go to my YouTube channel, press the subscribe button, press the like button, so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos for you, and which I teach you how to make money online. Okay, so the first step to do is that you need to understand this type of videos. Okay, so what are this type of videos? So you have seen the Witcher series, okay, or there are so many web series as well as very famous shows which are on the internet. Okay, for example, you can see Friends, or you can see the Witcher series, or these are some of the shows which are really very famous, or you can see Game of Thrones. All these shows are really very famous, and you can see this is all the pictures in this type of videos. What these guys do is that they take a recent picture of the particular celebrity which is shown, or the actor which is there in that particular show, and they take the childhood image of that actor. Okay, and what they are doing is that they are just combining those images, and what they are doing is that they are making a compilation, a video showing all the different images of different actors, how they looked before and how they are looking now. Okay, and why this type of videos get a lot of views, because there are a lot of people who are fans of the shows watch this type of content on YouTube, and that's the reason why you can get a ton of traffic on this type of videos, and many of your videos may go viral, because this is something which can be called that strategy to get a lot of viral videos in this way. Okay, so all you need to do is find a particular celebrity. Just go to Google and find childhood photos of Henry Cavill and present photos of Henry Cavill. Okay, so I have already downloaded 2 photos of Henry Cavill, and I have just made this type of an image using Canva. Okay, so you can see that this is the image so these are the 2 images which I found on Google, and I have downloaded it and uploaded those to Canva. Canva is an absolutely free platform where you can create this type of images. Okay, so what I did is that I dragged one of the image over here and dragged the another image over here. So I have written here then, and I have written now. Okay, so this is the image of Henry Cavill which I have already created on Canva. If you don't know how to use Canva, then there are a ton of tutorials which are available on YouTube. All you need to do is watch those tutorials and learn how to use Canva. I'm not gonna show you each and every step how I made these images and all that stuff, because you need to understand something, that all you need to do is drag these images over here, and you just need to click on this text and drag this text over here, and you can edit the text as whatever you want. Okay, so once your image is ready and your image is made, okay, so you have just created this image. Now all you need to do is find out 5 to 10 celebrities which are working in a particular show. For example, there are 5 to 10 celebrities who are working in this series which is known as The Witcher. Okay, so what I did was I just went and downloaded this my Henry Cavill's photo. Now what I'm gonna do, I downloaded. All you need to do is click on this download button and you can download this photo. Okay, so now what you have to do is take this photo into a video editor. Okay, the video editor which I am currently using is called OpenShot, which is available absolutely for free. Okay, so you can download this video editor. Okay, and once you have got this video editor and created your image, all you need to do is drag that image into that video editor, and you need to drag that image into the timeline. Okay, this is the OpenShot video editor interface which I am using. Okay, it's your choice, you can use the video editor of your choice. Okay, so once you have done this and dragged, all you need to do is take out 5 to 10 actors from one particular series, and all you need to do is make this type of images of those actors and just place over here. And what I did was I downloaded some copyright free music which I'm gonna use in this video, and which you can get from YouTube audio library. Okay, so you can get this type of simple copyright free music from YouTube audio library and download that. Okay, once I downloaded that, all I did was drag this image in the timeline and drag this music in the another timeline, and you can see this video is ready. So you can see this video is ready. All you need to do now is click on this red button and your video will be exported. Just give the name, give a very sweet name to this video, and you just need to do this, okay, and you just let it be. And all you need to do is select 1080p, okay, 1080p 1920 by 1080, and that is 30 frames per second. You need to select that and you just need to export your video. Once your video is exported, you are then ready to upload that video to your YouTube channel, just like this, that one which I have shown to you. You can just upload that video to your this type of YouTube channel. Now what I'm gonna show you is something which is really interesting. Now when you see the description of this video, there are no links here, and that's the reason why this channel is losing a lot of money. But I'm gonna show you how you can make money with this, okay, because there is probably a huge chance that this type of channel of yours may not get monetized, but okay, so don't worry about the monetization, because you are gonna make some extra money as compared to monetization just by using a very simple website which probably you are using every single day. All you need to do is go to amazon.com and sign up as an Amazon affiliate, okay, and you can see if I type in The Witcher, I can see all these books. Now what I can do is I can just grab the affiliate link of this particular book, okay, and all I need to do is just click on this text and I can get the link of this particular book. And see, here is my Amazon affiliate link. I just have to need to copy this, okay, and Control C. I have just copied it, and all I need to do is get in the description of my YouTube video and place this affiliate link over there, okay. All I need to have to type is that you can get the entire novel of The Witcher over here. Just click the link here and just you can promote. In this way you can promote a lot of Amazon products utilizing and creating this type of very simple videos. And the thing is that if someone clicks on your Amazon link and buys any product from Amazon within 24 hours, then you are gonna get some commission out of that. So if a person just clicks on your link and buys $1,000 product in next 24 hours, then you are gonna make up to 10% commission of that. That means $100 are gonna come to your bank account directly, and that's something which is awesome about Amazon affiliate program, and that's something which can make you a ton of money. And that's the reason why even today people are promoting Amazon affiliate programs. And this is something which is a really awesome opportunity, because there are a lot of shows which are even trending, and if you make this type of videos on trending shows and trending topics, you are bound to get a lot of earnings, and you are bound to make your videos viral, and you are bound to earn a lot of money. That's something which is really easy and really simple. Not all the people are taking this opportunity, advantage of this opportunity, and not making money. But you have this chance to make money using this very simple strategy, and not all the people are doing that. But if you really want to make a really good income, then you just need to take action on all these strategies and you can make a ton of money. But if you never take action, you are never gonna earn any money. And I have also given a link of a YouTube tool which I am particularly using to get a lot of views on my videos, and you can see my channel is just growing day by day. And that's the reason is that I am doing SEO of this YouTube channel using that tool. The video it is known as Video Marketing Blaster. The link is there in the description. So if you are planning to make this type of YouTube channel, I highly recommend that you should get that tool, so that you can get more views on your videos and hence on more money. So if you got some value out of this video, press the like button, smash the subscribe button, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Link is there in the description. All you need to do is DM me, ask me a question about make money online. Whatever queries you have, I will solve them definitely, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.